Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Warning: read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to follow these instructions, warnings, and safety precautions could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the area near the exhaust. Remove any grass, leaves, and other flammable material or debris. Then remove the hood by releasing the two straps. Then check the coolant level and make sure the levels between the min and max marks. After this, close the hood. Check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and verify proper tread depth. Check the tire pressure and verify they are to specification. Inspect the wheels and ensure the lugs are tight and set to specification. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Then, inspect the fluid level and condition in the brake reservoir in the driver's side front wheel well. Ensure the levels between the min and max marks. If it is low, remove the coolant reservoir as described in the owner's manual and clean around the cap and add fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Then, inspect the engine oil level. Ensure the oil level is checked on a cool engine. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe it with a clean shop towel. Next, reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it to inspect the oil level. Ensure the oil level is within the safe range on the dipstick and reinstall the oil dipstick. Do not overfill. Then, inspect the air filter and replace if needed. Next, inspect the engine intake pre-filter and PVT intake pre-filter for blockage or debris and clean as needed. Now, inspect the spark arrestor and clean if needed. Next, inspect the cab nets for tightness, wear, and damage. Cab nets must be secure and latched before moving the vehicle. Check the condition and function of the seatbelts. Pull the seatbelts completely out and inspect for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Caution: always wear a seatbelt when riding. This vehicle will limit speed if the seatbelt buckle is not latched. Once in the driver's seat, adjust and lock the steering wheel and check the steering wheel for smooth operation from full left to full right. Do not adjust the steering wheel while the vehicle is moving. After this, turn the key on and inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Then inspect the headlights, taillights, and brake lights for proper operation. Next, in a well-ventilated area, start the engine and verify the indicator lights/switches are operating correctly. Then turn off the engine. Next, verify proper brake and throttle pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Apply the brake forcefully for a few seconds and check for fluid leakage around the fittings. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.